Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is my daily driver. This is the phone that I carry pretty much everywhere that I go. One of the problems that I've run into is I have tried and tested a few screen protectors for this phone. Most of them have failed. So what we have tonight is we're going to be taking a look at this new screen protector that was sent out to me to review. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to put the phone in it and see if this is going to correct all of the problems I've been having with, as far as screen protectors for this specific phone. Let's get down to the desk, unbox this, and see exactly what we get. Let's go. All right, guys, so what you're looking at right here is the box that everything comes in. This is going to come with two sets of membranes for your phone. Really simple boxing, guys. Let's just pop this open. My videos can get a little bit on the long side, so I'm gonna see if I can get into here easily. There we go. All right, so we're just gonna pop this out. I'm gonna show you guys everything that comes in the kit. Just checking the box to make sure there's nothing else remaining. So this is what you get, guys. So when you open this up, let me just pop this open for you guys real quick. And you're going to see all of the different things that come in the kit. Of course, it comes with the instruction manual. We're going to try and cover all of that. There is a QR code here that you can scan if you want to see the instruction video, if this video is not helpful enough. It does come with the spare membrane, as I said before, if you're going to have to replace this for some reason. Now, the one here in the box comes with everything already pre-installed. Now, you're also going to get your wipes and your cleaners and all of that kind of stuff. So we're just going to kind of go through this the normal way I would use this to set up one of my phones. All right. So here is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. As I mentioned before, this does already have a screen protector on it, but I'm going to be removing this screen protector and we're going to clean the screen. So let's push this off to the side. So inside here, like I said, you get two packets of this. We only need one. We're going to open this up and get to everything that's inside. So we're going to get we get these little stickers that you see here for removing dust. We get an alcohol wipe, which is a wet wipe for cleaning the screen. And we also get this little piece of material here for cleaning off, any of the other stuff on here. I see a few little flakes of dust on here. My studio is relatively dusty from laser engraving and stuff like that, so that does happen. So first thing I'm going to do is we're going to start with this, and I'm going to clean the screen as best that I can. Just go around. Make sure we're hitting all of those spots. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go around it and wipe it over again to make sure I didn't miss any spots. Let's turn that off so we can actually see the screen. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now what I usually do is I will take these little dust stickers here and I'll just kind of go over, especially places like where my camera is, in the corners. That's where you're going to get a lot of the dust that's going to accumulate. And you can just go through here and just remove any additional dust off of your screen. Let me turn this screen off so we can see a little bit better. All right, so let's get all of the dust off. That looks great so far. And usually what I do, as you guys can see, there was some hair and a few pieces of dust that came off. So this does really come in handy. And just to be careful, I'm gonna, go over this just maybe one more time to make sure I didn't miss any spots. I always go around the corners. All right, so to get started, first thing we're going to do first, make sure you don't touch your phone screen with your hand. You're just going to place the phone inside of the case. I see a little dust on there. Let me get that off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this tape that you see right here. This little piece of tape is just going to feed through here at the bottom. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like so you guys can see it just feeds through right here at the base. And you want to press these little tabs down back here once you close this. to make sure that this membrane is seated in. So when you get ready to do a second version of this, if you have to, you're just going to take the new membrane. As you guys see, it has these little tabs here, and you're just going to place those tabs in, and that's going to basically give you this same setup. Now, to go through the steps, what we're going to do here is we're going to draw this tape forward. We're just going to grab this and we're going to pull it forward just like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close this up, and then we're going to pull this forward like this. Make sure I have enough space so you guys can see. You're going to pull it all the way forward so that it covers the entire screen, and then you can push it back in the opposite direction like so. And then you can pop this up. Then you should be able to just remove this additional film that's here, but I'm just going to press this down just to make sure. And then you can just grab this little tab like this and peel it off. And you should be able to remove your phone. Now I do see, I do see a few little bubbles here on here, but what I think I can do is I could just take this and I can just rub those out. And most of these will go away over time as the air goes away underneath. But overall, guys, I'm telling you, this looks very clean on this phone. If you look at the edges here, it looks really nice as well. I think this is a much better option than what I had originally on the phone. So I'm going to definitely be testing this. And I think, you know, for most of us out there, you know, using an iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is a great option. So definitely take a look at this, guys. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. So until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.